Hi, my name is Patrick Best. I will be presenting my research topic titled Special Education Teacher Preparedness for Virtual Learning Environments in K through 12 Public Schools. This topic focuses on whether special education teachers are adequately trained and prepared to effectively provide instruction and support services to students with disabilities in online learning environments. Within the last few years, virtual learning has become a more common option in the K through 12 public school system. While online learning can increase flexibility and access to opportunities for students, it also creates new challenges for teachers, especially those serving students with disabilities. Um, Special education teachers are responsible for delivering instruction, implementing accommodations, monitoring student progress, and ensuring compliance with the individualized education program. These responsibilities become more complex in a virtual setting and require specialized technological and instructional skills. The problem is that as virtual learning opportunities continue to expand in the K through 12 public schools, many special education teachers lack adequate training and preparation to effectively provide instruction and services in online learning environments. Several factors contribute to this problem. First, many teacher preparation programs provide limited instruction related to virtual teaching practices, especially those specific to special education. This results, or as a result, teachers may enter the profession without the skills necessary to effectively teach students with disabilities in a virtual setting. Second, professional development opportunities often focus on general technology use rather than specialized strategies for delivering special education services. Teachers may learn how to use technology platforms, but not how to adapt the instruction or provide accommodations effectively online. As well, virtual learning has expanded a lot in the recent years, and that has created a demand for many schools and educators that we were not prepared for. And the research consistently suggests that teachers often feel unprepared for online instruction, and teachers also report more of a need for additional training and support. This problem affects many stakeholders, including the students with disabilities, special education teachers, parents, school administrators, as well as the districts themselves. When teachers are not adequately prepared, students may experience reduced access to the effective instruction and support services that they need to be successful both academically and socially. The purpose of this study is to examine whether special education teachers, um, if their perceptions of their preparedness is to provide effective instruction and services in a virtual learning environment. I hope to better understand how prepared special education teachers feel when working in a virtual setting, as well as identify areas where training may be lacking and explore what types of support or professional development may help these teachers provide more effective services. So, some of the key literature themes throughout the five peer reviewed articles. The first theme was insufficient training for virtual instruction. Multiple studies found that special education teachers often receive little formal preparation for teaching online. Um, and the second theme was teacher preparedness and self efficacy. Research suggests that when teachers feel inadequately prepared, they may struggle with implementing online instructional practices, which provides less support for students with disabilities, and they also find trouble with effectively using technology. The third theme was challenges in delivering special education services online. Researchers have identified concerns related to instructional design, as well as assessment practices, providing accommodations, and maintaining meaningful engagement with students in the virtual setting. Overall, the literature demonstrates a consistent connection between teacher preparedness and the quality of services that students receive in a virtual setting. These findings support the need for additional research on how to support these special education teachers so they feel like they are prepared to teach online. Key takeaways and the significance of this study. Through the review of the articles, I learned that the expansion of virtual learning has created new responsibilities for special education teachers that many preparation programs and professional development systems have not fully developed yet. With this being such new or a newer thing, the preparation programs have not caught up with it. This problem is important because students with disabilities rely on highly trained teachers to provide these services, so the gap is reduced. And these are my references.